Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Nintendo Switch that is not charging. I'll be telling you specifically how to fix it easily. Let's get right into the video. I'll be going over 6 things that you can do and try to hopefully fix your Switch that is not charging properly. Let's get right into it. Number 1, the first thing that you can do is really easy, and that's to reset the AC power adapter by unplugging it on both ends. So you can see it's not plugged into anything over here. So by not plugging it in and leaving it unplugged on both ends for about 30 seconds to a minute, it's going to reset. So you can try that, see if that works and allows your Switch to start charging, okay? The second thing is check, are you using an official Nintendo power adapter? Okay. Now, I've heard stories that some other types of adapters that are not officially Nintendo products don't charge the Switch properly and cause problems with it. Like I said, I've only used the Nintendo power adapter, so I can't personally speak to it, but I've read a lot of stories that other third-party products might cause some problems charging the unit and charging the device, and just in general problems with the device. They might cause general problems overall with the device. So try using an official Nintendo charger, okay? The third thing that you can do is inspect your charging cable for damages. Now, I recommend that you unplug it from the dock, because in the dock it's gonna be hard to see the entire cable. So start on one end and make sure it's unplugged, but just check the cable for any damages. You're looking for any cuts in the rubber housing, in the rubber sheathing. You're looking for any kinks, any bends, anything that looks abnormal or feels abnormal, any bumps in the cord, because those can signify a broken or damaged cord, the inside of the cord, okay? The fourth thing that you can do is try using the adapter with a different console. So what I would do is I would take my adapter and use it to try and charge up a different Nintendo Switch console, my friend's Nintendo Switch, let's say. And if my charger was able to charge my friend's Nintendo Switch, then I know the charger is most likely fine, and it's most likely a problem with the connection to my own Switch or with my actual Nintendo Switch itself, my actual console. Which leads me to the next thing, the fifth thing that you can try, which is a hard reset on the actual console. Really easy to do. There's a power button on the top, okay? Now you'll notice on the Switch there's no power light, right? So it's hard to tell what's going on with it sometimes, but if you want to hard reset it, there's a power button at the top. Press and hold down that power button for about 12 seconds, or sometimes just a little bit longer, and it should hard reset the Switch, okay? Make sure you turn the Switch back on again after, just so it's clear, okay? Last but not least is the sixth thing that you can try, which is to try a different wall outlet. Sometimes, believe it or not, your Switch is fine, your charging cable's fine, but the wall outlet that you're using is either not working properly or just is not functioning with the charging AC adapter properly. So you want to try a different outlet, because maybe it's a problem with either the outlet or the connection between the outlet and the AC adapter, which, believe it or not, happens quite often, because maybe your outlet powers the lamp perfectly fine, but it's having trouble powering this because of some issue, right? So that's basically it. That is how to fix a Nintendo Switch that is not charging. Most likely one of those 6 things will help you fix your console and get it charging again, hopefully. Try them out, give them a shot, and hopefully one of them works. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.